The African Entrepreneurship Academy is giving you a lifetime opportunity to be your own boss with a whopping 40% tuition fee scholarship. Take a course in beauty and cosmetology for 6 months and be trained in makeup, nails, hair, production of cosmetic products, and many more. Enjoy amazing support packages like startup kits, corporate website, 1-month internship, logo designs, and many more. Admissions are open for August and September 2021 class with training centers in Accra and Boko with weekdays and Saturday classes available. Pick a form at the AEA Skills Hub, Kwashimon, Hong Kong, off the N1 Highway, Accra, or register online at www.aeaghana.com. Call us on 05555 63655. You can also WhatsApp us on 020-244-3650. Visit our website at www.aeaghana.com. Remember, AEA is strictly an entrepreneurship institution and not academic. Qualifications is the ability to read and understand English and a desire to start or have a business. AEA, building Africa's entrepreneurial giants.